Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Best of Mother's Bite. Treat yourself. Our today's recipe is chicken fajita with the simple ingredients which all are available on our kitchen top. When you feel to have something hot and spicy, you can prepare this within no time. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Here I have taken 400 grams of chicken and cut them into strips. In this, add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice along with salt according to your taste. Here goes in our dry spices like cumin powder, pepper powder, chili flakes and chili powder. Yes, of course you can adjust spices according to your taste. Add 1 teaspoon of oregano and 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste along with 3 teaspoons of oil. Mix all the ingredients very well. If oregano is not available, you can skip it, but it will act as a good flavoring for your chicken fajita. Keep this marinated chicken in the fridge overnight or at least 2 hours for a good taste. After 2 hours, take a pan and add oil. When the oil gets heated, add chicken pieces one by one or all at once. We can prepare this dish with very less oil. Fry the chicken on medium to high flame. In the starting, it will oozes out some water. When the water completely absorbs, turn the chicken. At this point of time, fry the chicken on low to medium flame till we get the grill marks on it. Stir the chicken occasionally to fry from both sides. When the chicken gets ready, add the vegetables in the same pan, or you can take another pan and add 2 teaspoons of oil and vegetables like capsicum, carrot, onion and cabbage one by one or all at a time. Cover and cook the vegetables for 1 minute or simply saute for 4 to 5 minutes. I like to have crunchy cabbage, so I'm adding it in the last. When vegetables changes its color, add fried chicken. Mix the veggies and chicken very well. Now add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Here goes in our 2 tablespoons of chili sauce and 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Give it a stir and let it cook for 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, switch off the flame and take it into a serving plate. During this rainy season, you can enjoy it. Those who are on diet can also have it by itself, or else you can also prepare Frankie roll for your kids.
Enjoy our chicken fajita. Bye bye. Subscribe our Best of Mother Bite.